everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is Saturday, and what do I do on Saturday? I show you what I purchased during the week, and things have came here in the mail. As you can see, I have quite a bit of shoes here. I'm a little bit angry at myself for getting all these shoes because I spent way too much money, but I just couldn't help myself. All right, so let's go through the items. First two pairs of shoes are from Dolce Vita. And I'll be honest, I don't remember exactly what I spent on them. Too much. So the first is a pair of sneakers. And you're like, Carolyn, you just got a pair of sneakers. I know, but these were kind of calling my name. And I guess you can always use a second pair of sneakers for casualness. I mean, honestly, I only wear my running shoes to the gym, my Hokas. And then I have the one pair, I have some old pairs of shoes to work outside in, but I have only the one pair of Gauze that I like, and I still have my old Adidas, which are pretty shot and need to go. But I just thought these were kind of cute. They're, Dolce Vita. They're a tan suede. And what else can I tell you about it? A little bit of snakeskin back here. So I'm going to try these on. As long as these are comfortable, I will keep them. And I'll send you links below exactly of what I purchased so you can get an idea. But I purchased these directly from Dolce Vita. The next pair, so as soon as I purchased those, they send me a link to get $30 off. So I have been eyeing these on Every's website. I think Laura from Little Box of Happy got them in a Trendsend some time ago. And when I saw them, like my eyes were like, woo, these are totally my style. So they're like a pair of platforms with a nice chunky heel. If these are comfortable, I'm going to keep them, I think. I have to also look in my closet to make sure I don't have anything quite like them, which I don't think I do. Years ago, I used to have a pair of shoes similar to this color and sort of this style from White House Black Market, but they got shot and I had to get rid of them. So I'm pretty sure I don't have anything quite like this. I have white, I have pink, I have blue, but nothing quite like this in my closet, I don't think. Again, I'll double check. And I did get 30 off of these because as soon as they ordered those, they sent me the $30 coupon. So these are a possibility. We'll try them on as long as they're comfortable. I like Dolce Vita shoes, but honestly, I don't have much luck with them. I find both Dolce Vita and Sam Edelman to run a little bit more narrow than, say, Steve Madden, Vince Camuto, or Mark Fisher. Those are the other three brands that I tend to buy. For whatever reason, I think these and Sam Edelman just a tad bit narrower, probably more to a normal type foot, and they bother my bunions. But we'll give them a shot. We'll see how they are. The next item is a pair of shoes from a company I have never heard of before. And I was looking around for gray shoes. As many of you know, I've been saying I could use a pair of gray shoes. I don't have any gray shoes. And when I went on and Nordstrom website, I saw these. And I was like, they were pretty expensive, so I was holding out for a sale. And they sold out my size in this color. So then I said, all right, where else can I get these shoes? Because I kind of like them. And I found them at Zappos, and I do know they were $144, so it's pretty damn expensive still, and I think that was pretty much the price that they were going for at Nordstrom's. I looked everywhere. I saw similar ones of this name brand, but I did not see them anywhere else for any less. The name brand is Pelle, P-E-L-L-E, Moda. I'm going to assume they're an Italian name brand. There's like a wedge here, this is Velcro around the ankle, and it is more of a rounded toe, but for some reason I was digging these. So if these feel comfortable, I will keep them. Typically, I don't like these high backs. I find they end up digging into the back of my heel, but let me try them. Let me try them and see how they look, and I'll style them for you with what I was thinking. And if we like them together, I will keep it. Otherwise, they will also go back. And again, I got these through Zappos. All right, next thing. So as I was saying in some other videos, I got outfit ideas swirling in my head. I've seen other YouTubers, I've seen ads, I've gone shopping and saw things put together, and I'm just dying to wear some spring stuff. I'm so excited to pull out my spring stuff. So one of the things that I saw was from Boston Proper. In the comments below, if you ordered for that company, how do you like it? How do you find their clothes running? I've never ordered from them because I'm only 5'2", and I'm a little bit nervous things are just going to be too long on me, and then I'm just going to have to send them back. But boy, they have some nice stuff. So they had this outfit. I'm not going to go into details, and I'm actually not going to style this belt for you because it's just a belt, because I'm going to be wearing it sometime this week in one of my outfits. So they saw the outfit on Boston Proper, and I really liked it. I'm like, ooh, but I don't have a gold chain belt. So I just went to Amazon and ordered myself a gold chain belt. So I think it was like 10 bucks, 15 at most. It's good. You know, it has like a little buck enclosure where you obviously you can put it wherever you want, because it's a chain belt. And I find this perfectly good for my use. So there you have it. So again, I'm not going to style this for you. Stay tuned and watch my outfit of the week next week, and you should be able to see that belt somewhere. All right. Next up, Stitch Fix Freestyle. I've been trying not to order from them. I'll be honest, Stitch Fix, I think, might be going down. I'm sorry to say, I've been reading a lot of articles. They had a revolving credit at Silicon Valley Bank, and they probably have a year of cash flow left, is what the article said. So yeah, and we all kind of agree the styles aren't the greatest anymore. It was great in 2018, especially when I first lost the weight. I loved it. I would say, I need this, I need that, I could use this, could use that. And they would just send it, and magically my wardrobe expanded, and I had all these clothes. But now it's like, I got a closet full of clothes. I'm really just looking for those special and unique pieces, ones that I can't seem to find locally. So what I ended up seeing were these gauze pants, and I've been looking for a pair of gauze pants, and of course Evereve has them, you know, Michael Stars and everything, but they're pretty expensive. These I think were, again, I'll put the links below. I think these were like 40 bucks. They were pretty cheap. And these are by 151, the high-rise wide leg. Now, they will be see-through, but I'm going to put on my beige underwear, my nude underwear, and we're going to look in the camera, and we're going to see how see-through they are and how bad they are and whether or not they need to go back. But they're nice, 100% cotton, loose, airy gauze pant. They're exactly what I was looking for. We'll see how they fit, and we will see how see-through they are and whether or not I should keep them. All right, so stay tuned for a try-on. Okay, first thing I have on is how I would style the gray shoes, because this is one of the outfits that I was wearing that I was like, I really could use some gray shoes. So this is a Salt Creek Luxe sweater that I got from a Stitch Fix. This sweater's adorable. I like it. It is a crop style, which is fine with me. I just wear them with high-rise denim, and in the back it has this really adorable tie. I love this sweater, and I think the shoes will make the outfit complete. So I'll pan down a little more so you can actually see the shoes. Okay. So yeah, they exposed part of my foot, which is okay because I was going to plan on wearing these like in the springtime. I do need a pair of gray booties too. I had a pair of gray booties, but I got rid of them. So they have the strap around the ankle. Okay. As far as comfortableness, they're a little bit snug around the width of my foot, a little bit. All right. The back of them seems fine. That was my other concern. As I'm wearing them, they feel a little bit more comfortable. I keep moving back and forth to make sure. I think they're a good length. I also think these would look really cute with a pair of my gray pants. All right, and exposing that little ankle strap. I think that would be cute too. So I do like these shoes. I think I'm gonna keep them. So what are your thoughts on them? They are different, something I don't typically wear, a much lower heel, but I do think they work for me. All right, give me a minute and I'll start styling those Dolce Vita shoes. Okay, I'm in trouble. So I decided to put on the 151 gauzy pants with the Dolce Vita, what are they called? Platform heels, and I love them. I love the heels. Not so sure I'm 100% sold on the gauze pants. I'm going to definitely look back at the footage. You let me know. They were inexpensive gauze pants, but I'm not so sure they're that flattering on me. I don't know what the problem is today with my speech. You guys can also let me know, but be kind, okay? All right, so here are the gauze pants. I would call this like a vanilla custard color. So they're not pure white. They're like a creamy ivory color. Here is the back of them. I don't think I should size up because I think they're going to be too loose, but I am a little bit worried that it might be a little bit too tight back here. Let me know if you can see every lump and bump. I'm not so sure. I'm also not sure how see-through they are either, and how badly you can see my panty lines. The shoes, let me pan down even a little more so you can see them. They're fantastic, unfortunately, for my wallet. My husband's not going to be too happy with me. So, yeah, these are a platform heel. They're in a nice nude color. Love them. Absolutely love them. These are so me. It's not even funny. And so comfortable. So, yeah, these are keepers for sure. Pants, I'm not so sure on. Let me know your thoughts. Again, I will also be scrutinizing the footage to see how see-through these are and how many imperfections you can see through these on me. And I'm afraid to size up because they're already like roomy here. They'd be too long otherwise. But this is well past my belly button. So my belly button's down here and the band comes a good inch above my belly button. So I do not want to size up in these. All right, give me a minute and I have the last pair of shoes. Okay, so the next thing I did is I styled the sneakers and how I probably wear them. So I know camo is out. People are like, oh God, she's bringing out the camo jacket. I like this jacket, all right? I don't care if camo is out or not. If I like this jacket, I'm going to wear it, and I do. I think this is a perfect spring little cute jacket in this safari sand color. And I paired it with just a white tank I got like in an outlet years ago, and my new straight leg jeans from Ever Eve, and then the Dolce Vita sneakers, which are very comfortable. I'm trying to debate whether or not I can wear these for walking though, because they do slide a little bit, particularly on the right. Now, I don't have these tied. These are not, this is one thing I did not know, is that these shoes do not tie. Perhaps I can make them a little tighter so that they don't slide as much, but they do not tie. The laces are too short and they're knotted. So letting you know, if you're interested in these sneakers, that is definitely the case here. The left isn't slipping, but the right is a little bit. All right, as I move back a little bit. Cute, cute, cute sneakers. I am going to look back at the footage and make sure that I like everything that I saw. But as far as I'm concerned, I think I'm keeping all 3 pairs of shoes. Not so sure on the pants. All right, that is it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding back? I unfortunately do a lot of shopping hauls, try-ons, and unboxings. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. And take care until next time.